Thanks, Sandeep, for the wonderful session. I think just like the others before me spoke, it was very good. Like I have done my PMP and CSM in the last 2 3 years, and those were very theoretical. Like those CSM courses are a little practical, but still I found this a very practical course, which is itself a value add because theory is like it is important, I think, in the context where I do some practical things, I can relate it to the theory. But then this course was very practical, so I liked it in that aspect. I made a few points. I like the Jira thing. Even though I done recently CSM a year back, but I got a practical feel of it. I have used Jira, but still I learned some new things about it. The reports that you showed were very interesting. Today when you talked in the initial section, the program management aspect, how to handle multiple projects and how do you plan for it, that was very interesting. The interview part of it that you did at the end of the session was very good because these questions I have already seen some of them, but I didn't know how to tackle them. So I got a view on that. Yes, so it was a very practical session. So I liked the session, and I'm very grateful to you to have taken it.
Sure.
Thanks.
Yeah, thanks, Sandeep, for a wonderful session of 2 days. It really helps us, even though we are managers of delivery managers, but certain things which we are not able to go through those things, which it's just really a pressure for me, like DI list profile and other stuffs. So it really helps us in the 2 days of training, and which will improve my area where I want to do to grow up my ladder as well.
Actually, I attended your the demo session also, and that was itself an eye opener. And I have gathered few action items which definitely are something which we need to work on. We all, we've done so many things, but still there is some lacuna, and those action items are really something which is worth considering, and I'm pretty excited about it. But there is still a long road to go. One last thing, the packaging of this content. I mean, this is something very unique which you and your team has packaged. I mean, really commendable job, because not a I have not seen this kind of package anywhere else.
Yeah. I would definitely say that this has been very insightful sessions for me these 2 days. I mean, a lot of learning. Like you rightly said, we started in the morning, ended late in the evening. But honestly, I was continuously learning new things, that interest was all through there. So I did not really realize how quickly the time flew, honestly. Um, that earlier half an hour's introduction session which we had before joining this course, that actually gave me an idea that, made me realize that, okay, there's a lot about program management that I don't really know. Never really got a chance to use those. So all those tools that you showed, the tips and tricks that you showed, I think those are going to be very, very useful, and they're going to come in very handy. Also, the interview preparation and stuff that you mentioned about the resume, yes, I think those will be real good value adds for us. Really looking to being connected with you all on this, and yeah, looking ahead. Excited to see how things go from here. Thank you so much for these inputs and your session. Thank you.
Yeah, Sandeep. So definitely, this 2 day session are great, compact, and a lot of content you have covered. Okay, so which otherwise probably some other program would take more than weeks or maybe months, right? So a lot of content you have compressed in these 2 days, right? So leadership, management, program management, planning. Also gave the use of some of the tools, right? Which Agile, Atlas and Jira. And the great thing which I liked is poker, the Pokerman, point in poker, the tool. So I feel it's even more effective than actually physically doing it over the meeting room. So in this time, COVID time, I think that's a great tool to do that estimation. Okay, so that I like, and also you covered Jira tool also, right? Walk through of some of the important features. It was good, and yes, definitely interview questions. That was very good because you gave the pointers how to answer and all these things. A lot of exercises which you got asked participants to participate, right? So it kept us, right? Some of it, forced us to participate, and I think that participation was actually kept us, awake and it kept it interesting, right? Which otherwise would have been boring and that thing. So that was very good mix of organizing the stuff. So, but otherwise the content coverage, and you at the end of every session you asked if anybody has any questions and all these things, right? You clarified. It was very good.
So it was a really nice experience for me. Like I was wondering that would I be able to sit for 2 days, that too on a weekend? But it's you that kept it interesting and engaged us. So a very big thank you to you. Talking about the content, it was really helpful. Some of the soft skills sessions was refreshing, and the tools you suggested can be used even in my current service industry as well. So that is of a great use. And exploring the product industry, since I don't have much experience in that, so lots of things I came to know. And interestingly, I'm looking forward to it. That maybe it's not bad to explore those things also. And I also attended that demo session, so which pushed me to attend these sessions. It was really encouraging, and I'm looking forward for a long-term relationship with Gururo.
The thing is, being in the IT field for 15 years, I feel knowledge is always never dying. So it's always good to learn something new. And I attended your demo class, and I think you maintained the time very well on the day also. And in these 2 days also, I have seen the time maintenance is absolutely on the on the bank. So there is no scope for anybody to think anything else. We are just keeping our mind occupied with the topics, and I think that is something which I like as a attendee. But I think this really helped, and you are on the time. You kept everyone occupied, and I think the feedbacks whatever you gave, I think those make sense for people who are searching for job. And I think the content, as everyone told, is very interesting. It looks good. So thanks once again.
It's feeling good, Sandeep. Really, I got an insight that what is next lying ahead of us. Trust me, I have never been into this. I just started, as a technical project manager, but now I can, see that what things are ahead of me and what I need to prepare for.
The session was good. Actually, I came to know that what skills I need to have to go to the next level, where I need to focus my requirements, which a interviewer and a company will look, so that I will upskill myself in that area and enhance my skills to go to the next level. So it also opened up certain points where I need to upgrade myself, some skills which I need to have, which I didn't know that I should have. Like I need to know a Jira project which I need to know hands-on feel completely. I should get to know about Jira, how it works, like a Scrum. Even though I have been to Lean Sigma and everything, Six Sigma, I'm already certified, but it looks like I have to again upgrade my skills. Lean Sigma itself looks a little obsolete against an Agile and a Scrum.
Okay, Sandeep, first of all, let me thank you for the insight what you have given us, all of us over here. I mean, it was really good that though we all must be thinking that, we have done a lot of things or we are doing a lot of things, but there is a gap. We all have understood and the approach may not be correct. The approach may not be right towards whatever we are thinking in our mind, and we have joined this course. So the approach may not be right towards what we want to achieve or what we want to get. So that is where I feel I found a value add from this course, and I am looking forward towards it to improve myself. I mean, always there is a chance for improvement. So yes, I mean, we found out. I mean, I found out some improvement areas wherein I need to go about and track the thing so that I can reach to the next level.
Okay. Thanks for that.
So again, thanks a lot, Sandeep. I mean, it's really helpful.
Yeah, so for me, the biggest eye opener, I would say, was the way program management role has been structured or evolved in product-based companies particularly. My understanding of program management was it is something which a project manager managing multiple projects becomes a program manager and ultimately leads to portfolio management. That was the mindset or the impression I was carrying. So that was the biggest eye opener. I was not aware about TPM and all these. I used to see those JDs, but I then used to contemplate whether it is a tech centric role or a management centric role. I was confused about that. That's the biggest takeaway for me.
I enjoyed this interview thing, the last session, the most. And then again, the poker thing. That was really interesting.
I had some preconceived mindsets about program managers. I thought there's certain skill sets you can pitch in for a program manager, but this is certainly an eye opener that you need to have certain specific skill sets to handle or manage the role, where to prepare you for the interview so that you understand what is the requirement, the JD, the company or the interviewer needs, so as to specifically train yourself for that role. So definitely I want to go to that level, and whatever honing or require for myself, I want to do that and keep myself totally prepared for that role, and actually get into a company which offers me that role. That will be my next.
Yeah, I think the first session today, that was very insightful about tracking 100 odd projects. How do we do that to an exec summary level? I also found the Jira sessions to be very useful, and of course the interview ones at the end.
I think overall, I think I liked everything from the beginning till the end. So I don't have any specific one or two. I think everything was something I knew. I learned something extra. So I think it was good. Overall, I think altogether.
Yeah, Sandeep, as Sujit said, right, everything was interesting. See, I know about Agile and SCM because I'm SCM certified. Everything was amazing. The risk management, capacity planning, those, I have never done in my past. So that is what, was more informative for me. Yeah.
Okay, there are three things basically which I liked. Not one, cannot judge one. I mean,
Sure.
I'm not able to judge one. One is the program management things, what you have explained. Amazing insight you have given. Second one is the tool and how to use the tool, when to use the tool. That also you have explained, which tool has to be used. So that one was good. And third was interview session, how you have to present yourself, how you have to prepare yourself. Amazing. So these are the three things which I liked in this the most. Of course, I mean, as Sujit and said, that entire 2 days were outstanding. Yes, but if you ask the specific ones, yes, these are the three.
Sandeep, as Dhaval and Sujit said, session overall was good. Out of which three things I very much impressed with the 100 plus projects, how you have to plan it. And the second thing is on the desk, how you know about the other people, where you can understood about other people's thing. And third thing is on the interview, how you can prepare yourselves for a senior role of something. These are the main things I feel. Yeah.
Yeah, just as I said, there's just not one thing, but everything, whatever theory part you took up, there was a practical side to it. You made us do some exercise which clarified what we were doing right, or what is the thought process behind those activities. So I think that is what each of us will take away. And we might so theoretical things we tend to forget, but these things, the metrics, the GIRA, the interview questions, and how do you approach it, the different type of influence in the personality types, and how do you deal with this in your project or in an interview session. All these practical aspects, I think, will remain with the participants. The theory vaporizes, but the practical aspect of this training would remain with us. So thanks for that.
Yeah, Sandeep. So for me, eye opener was this pointing focus tool. Okay, so that was something estimation tool. I heard about it, something like that you do, but demonstrating it in the tool and participating in that process was eye opener for me. Okay, and other thing is basically the disc profiling. Okay, so disc profiling is something I did very long in the past. I totally forgot, but then it reminds me that there are various types of personalities, and every type of personality is actually successful. You can be successful. So understanding the type, and you told how to work with them. You gave some tips, right? So that disc profiling is also a standout for me. Yeah, so these are the two, and definitely the interview questions. Those are very helpful and informative. And the guidelines you gave, actually, how to approach those answers, those were actually also standout.
Yeah, entire program was a very good. Means it was a somewhere it was a refreshing, but somewhere I have learned a very new things. Like you have gone through the Jira tool entirely, and I like that very much. And moreover, it's contents. Contents are very specific, and you have managed all those even on VideoCon to be present. They are not sleeping actually; they are communicating. So that's a very good thing I like, and I hope that this will help in future to me. Actually, big standout would be the Jira, which I liked very most because I was not aware of. Another thing is a Scrum, Sprint, because I was very new to these terminologies.